Hi friends, welcome to Payal's recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very popular Sindhi dish, which is Sindhi Kadhi, and it's my personal favorite as well. So let's get started. The ingredients for this recipe are: we need a cup of oil, a teaspoon of methi seeds or methre, a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 or 1.5 cups of besan or chickpea flour. You need a teaspoon of mustard seeds, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 3 or 4 tablespoons of red chili powder. Again, this is the degi mirch or the Kashmiri red chili, but it's not spicy, it's just for color. And I'm using 2 to 3 tablespoons of salt. This is the tamarind paste and the curry leaves. We also have the tomato pulp. This is made out of 4 tomatoes. We also need some hing or asafoetida powder, cilantro, and we use a lot of vegetables in this dish. We have the beans. You can use any kind of beans. I'm using the flat, thin beans, also known as gawar phali in Hindi. These are the potatoes, the green chilies, the eggplants, and the okra. And we need lots of water. So first we need to shallow fry all these vegetables. So I add oil into this. So in goes all the vegetables. So we just need to shallow fry these vegetables. So I've been shallow frying these vegetables for about 5 minutes, and then I take it out. So after we've shallow fried all the vegetables, in the same oil you can add some cumin seeds, some mustard, the methi seeds or fenugreek seeds as you can call, black pepper. Let them crackle a little bit. Lower the flame and add the chickpea flour and roast it for a minute or 2 till you get that aroma. So you roast the besan for 2 to 3 minutes. So once you get the aroma, just add the tomato puree. Lots of water. Sindhi Kadhi, the consistency is a little thin, so we add a lot of water, but besan is going to make it a little bit thick. So after adding the water, now goes in all the vegetables back again, and now goes in the curry leaves, the red chili powder, the salt, turmeric powder, and also the hing. Hing you can just put about 2 teaspoons or 1.5 to 2 teaspoons depending on how much you want to put. And on medium flame, just cover it and keep it for about half an hour. And after half an hour, we're going to check on this. So the curry has been simmering for about half an hour on low flame, and now goes in the tamarind paste. I just add 1 or 2 teaspoons of tamarind, not a lot, otherwise it gets really sour. And the cilantro. And after you add these 2 things, just stir it for a minute and again keep it on low for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, it's ready to serve. So the curry has been simmering for about 10 minutes. And I can get those fragrance and the aroma of this dish. And it's ready to be served. So let's take this plate. And this dish is really flavorful with all the masalas and the spices that go in, like methi seeds or fenugreek seeds, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and all these vegetables. It's really healthy for the entire family, and have it with hot rice or chapati. Our Sindhi curry is now ready. And if you really enjoyed watching this recipe, do like and share and comment as well on my channel Payal's Recipe, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. And for more recipes, tune in till next time. Bye bye.